In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your generated image from square format to landscape mode for those of you that are into folktale stories. So for you to do this, you need an application called CS Image Compressor or any other image compressor app from the Play Store. Open the app, then select Resize. After selecting it, select Photo to open your gallery. Select the required image you want to resize from your gallery. In the space provided for width and height, select width and enter the size. So I'm using 1280, which is the resolution of the width. Then for the height, I'm using 720, which is the resolution for the height in pixel. So you leave everything as it is, that's fit both sides. Then JPEG or PNG, you select your choice, then tap on Resize Photo. Now it has finished, it has completed the task, so you can preview the original and the resized one. Now this is the original, which is in square mode. Then let's look at the landscape mode. So this is the landscape mode. As you can see, it has the details, everything intact in that size. So you can see the square size and the landscape mode, as you can see. So when you are done with that, then tap on save. So it's saved in your gallery. So you can view it in your gallery and see the option. Now you can see the size. Then if you check the second one, you can see the size of what you're having there, both in square and landscape mode. So this how to do that. Thank you for watching. If you are yet to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe for more informative and educative video.